This is part 2 of a 2-part video on string functions. If you haven't already seen the first part, look in the description for a link leading to it. Let's get started. The substring function returns a new string that's a subsection of the provided string. Here, with this example, library is the string we provide. 0 is the position we want the new string to start at. And the third argument, the 3 here, is how long we want that new string to be. In the case substring library 03, it returns lib. If you change the start to be 3 and the length to 4, it would return rary. Join combines any number of strings into a single string. The first entry is what you want the joined strings separated by. This is also a string and can be multiple characters long. For example, join _ red, yellow, pink. This would combine the 3 strings with a line between each one. If you want nothing to separate the strings when they join, you can use 2 single quotes in that location. Here are some other examples you might use: a space and a double slash. Replace works as a find and replace function. Enter the string to inspect, then a string of the letter combination you want replaced from the first string, and finally the string you want inserted into that spot. So let's take this string as an example. The goblin stabs you, and we'll change goblin to orc. So here we have replace the goblin stabs you, goblin, orc. The word goblin is replaced with the word orc. The string length function is a simple one. Enter the string to inspect as an argument, and the function returns a number with the count of characters in that string. So, length, this line is 30 characters, returns the number 30. String logic functions. There are 4 functions that can inspect strings and return a true-false Boolean. Be aware that these are case sensitive. The string to inspect is the first argument, and the string you're looking for is the second. This function, in text, orc was angry, orc, examines the text, orc was angry. If the letters ORC appear, it returns a true value. If not, it returns false. The starts with and ends with are similar. They investigate the respective beginning or end of a string and return the corresponding result. Here, starts with returns true and ends with returns false. The inList function examines the first argument and compares it to the rest. If it matches any of them, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Format is a powerful but complicated function. It lets you create patterns to format strings into using a replacement pattern. You input the pattern and the values to be used in it. Then, the function combines those based on rules in the corresponding string. For a detailed explanation of this function, see the linked documentation on the Component.Studio help site. That's an overview of the functions that interact with strings. If you have questions or comments, please leave them here below on YouTube, visit our Component.Studio Facebook group, or join the Game Crafters Discord. You can find links to all of these in the description. Until next time, I'm Andrew Voigt, helping you make the best games you can.